In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make bubble letters on Google Slides. This fun and creative process will enhance your presentations and make your text stand out. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser. If you are using Chrome, look for the Google Apps icon in the top right corner. It typically looks like a grid of small squares. When you click on this icon, it will reveal a drop-down menu of Google applications. This is the starting point to access Google Slides and other services. By familiarizing yourself with this interface, you'll quickly navigate to the applications you use most. Next up, click on Slides. This will take you directly to Google Slides, where you can create and edit presentations. If you are logged into your Google account, you should see your recent presentations displayed here. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for your creative work with bubble letters. If you have not been logged in, make sure to enter your credentials. After that, open your presentation in Google Slides. This is where you will be applying your bubble letter effect. You can either start a new presentation or open an existing one. Once your presentation is open, take a moment to look around the workspace. Familiarizing yourself with the layout will help you work more efficiently as you create your bubble letters. With your presentation open, click on Insert in the top menu and select Word Art. This feature allows you to create stylized text that can be customized further. By using word art, you can achieve the rounded, bubbly appearance we want for our letters. It's a simple step but vital for achieving those eye-catching results. Now, type your text into the box that appears and press Enter. This is where your creative vision starts taking shape. You can type anything you like, whether it's a title, a quote, or a fun phrase. Pressing Enter confirms your input and generates the word art. Be sure to double-check your spelling, as this part will directly influence how your bubble letters look. While the text box is selected, change the font to a thick style like Impact, Fredoka 1, or Luckiest Guy. Selecting a bold font is essential because it enhances the visual impact of your bubble letters. These fonts are specifically designed to appear fuller and rounder, which is ideal for our purpose. You'll see your text transform into a more playful and inviting design. Next, click the Fill Color Bucket tool in the toolbar to change the inside color of the letters. This tool allows you to select vibrant colors that make your letters pop. Choose a color that complements your presentation theme. This step is important because the right color choice will draw attention and add personality to your text. Now click the Border Color Pencil tool to choose a dark outline. This outline adds definition to your letters and makes them more visually appealing. A dark border contrasts well with the fill color you selected, enhancing the bubble effect. This little detail is what transforms simple text into eye-catching bubble letters. Following that, click the Border Weight tool, which looks like a lines icon, and change it to 3 pixels or 4 pixels to make the bubble outline thick. Adjusting the border weight is crucial for achieving that full bubble letter look. A thicker outline not only emphasizes the letters but also makes them pop against the background of your slide. By following these steps, you will have successfully created bubble letters on Google Slides. This process is straightforward, and with practice, it will become second nature. You can now use your new skills to enhance your presentations and make them more engaging.